no time is wasted when you are discovering yourself. So kung sa first take mo ng course sa college, you're not very sure about it and you feel like changing, you can always shift. Okay?
Yes.
Kung feeling mo natapos mo na tong program na to at hindi talaga siya yung gusto mong gawin, you can always change career path. There's no right or wrong time to start, to continue, and to do what you love or you want to do. Okay? Yes, there's no deadline in life. Yung deadline mo talagang pag na ganun ka na. Pero that, parang matagal na matagal pa yon. Ang daming chances at opportunities na ibibigay sa'yo ng mga buhay natin.
Yes, tsaka I always have the mindset na I'd rather spend 1 or 2 or 3 extra years doing what I love. Kesa, alam mo yun, mag-stick ako sa 5-year course or 4-year course na sure na may ipapasa ko, pero alam ko naman by the end of that, hindi ko mapapractice. So I'd rather, alam mo yun, I'll take the long way and then get to my goal kesa talagang, alam mo yun, take the shortcut and then won't even enjoy the result. Yun lang.